High configuration multimeter. Insert to AA batteries to power on. Insert test leads. Power on, turn on the backlight. Automatic identification of DC voltage measurement display. Automatically identify AC voltage and measure with AC voltage regulator. AC current measurement. The test lead needs to be inserted into the 10A jack when measuring. DC current measurement. Measure the current of the light strip when it is working. Buzzer measurement, which measures the continuity of the line, will beep DDD. Resistance measurement. The test LEDs can be measured by touching both ends of the resistance. Diode measurement. The positive and negative poles of the test LEDs need to be aligned. For safety, discharge is required before measuring capacitance. Capacitance measurement. The test lead can be measured by touching both ends of the capacitor. Temperature measurement. Plug in the temperature wire. Use a lighter to measure. Turn on the flashlight to illuminate in the dark. NCV non-contact sensing, beeps when voltage is sensed. Zero live wire measurement, detected with a single test lead.